Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to download WeChat on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. WeChat is available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. I'm going to show you how to download it on Apple App Store. Well, first you have to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can switch into your mobile data. Once you do that, you can see on the Apple App Store, there's search option on the top of your screen. Type in WeChat. Then you have to tap on search. Once you do that, on your screen you can see beside WeChat there's a cloud-like button if it's already previously downloaded. If not, you're gonna get that get option. If you have to tap on that get option, you have to make sure that you are the person downloading it by giving your Apple ID details. If not, you just have to tap on that cloud-like button. Then it's gonna take a few seconds. Then there you have it. You're gonna start downloading WeChat. And guys, that's it. That's how you download WeChat on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.